Namaste everyone. On behalf of Bitosa Global, I would like to wish you and your family a very happy new year. Despite a challenging 2020, I know we have all learned a lot and we have adapted ourselves to operate in this new normal. I am confident as a human race we will overcome the challenge in 2021 and make it a successful year for all of us. Silicon Valley, California is the hub of innovation. What I like about being in the US is that I can express myself and I can drive my passions. All it requires is a positive attitude and willingness to work hard. The system here is based on meritocracy. Having been born in India and raised in India and studied in BIT Mesra, there is a special bond that we always will have with our alma mater and with the people that I know in India, and that is for perpetuity. Obviously, I missed my friends. I wish I could be there with all of you in India, especially during these difficult times. I miss the cultural mirage that India offers, and of course, being a foodie, food is something that I absolutely miss from various parts of the country. Now, if you intend to come to the US for higher studies, please come with a clear plan of how you intend to build your career. Write down your objectives and build a plan around those objectives. Ensure you integrate with the local community and more importantly, leverage the Bitosa alumni group that is spread all across this country. In my opinion, having worked with many alumni associations, both here in the US and in other parts of the world, I can tell you Bitosa is by far the best alumni group in the world. Obviously, I might be biased, but I can tell you with great confidence that it is by far the best in the world. So finally, when you're here, you're successful, please ensure you give back to your home country. Get involved in India, be it in the areas of business ventures or be it in the areas of non-profits. Volunteer your time. Help people in the areas of education. Help people in the areas of healthcare. Donate your time, and if you have the capacity, donate funds to the country of India as well. Because at the end of the day, that's the country that's made all of us in terms of who we are and what we are doing today. So in conclusion, a happy Pravasi Bharatiya Divas to all. Thank you to Bitosa Global team for having put this initiative together, and my very best wishes and regards to all of you. Jai Hind. Thank you.